Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's an easy one. We're just going to put the heads onto the 5.9 Magnum. All we really need are the heads, some head gaskets, and the bolts. We want to make sure all of our gasket surfaces are nice and clean, oil-free. Now in this case, you can see there are different. This one has a water jacket hole right here, right? And not one here. So it can't go that way because the water jacket hole's there. Nicely, they've got the dowels for the heads. So it actually won't let me put it on wrong. You have to flip it on this way. It goes onto the dowels. Sits on there nicely. Doing this without pinching your fingers is fun. Suppose if I turn it the right direction, that'll help. Intake's up. Because this is a daily driver, I really am not worried about using new head bolts or head studs or anything along those lines. We'll just reuse the old head bolts. As with any fastener that needs to be torqued, make sure the threads are clean and you want to lubricate them a little bit. It'll give you a better torque reading. Now I'm going to run them all in just to hand tight. Okay, now that they're hand tight, we can torque them. Head bolts need to be torqued in a specific order and in steps so that you don't warp the head. The general rule is you start in the middle and you move out. Now you also don't torque them all the way down on the first step. You go about halfway with all of them, then you come back and go the next step the rest of the way. All right, having just looked it up, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We torque them all to 50, and then we go back and retorque them to 105. All right, so we set the torque wrench at 50 pounds. $105. And there we go. The head is torqued down. I'll just do the other side and we'll be done. There we go. Second head torqued down. Thanks for watching.